RIOT Stock Analysis and Riot Stock Prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Riot Platforms is 6% down with 6.6 price level where we're at. I see the price kind of crying and melting down. Now this is how my chart's looking like. Yeah, the broader picture is a whole different play. This is kind of risky. I'm not saying like, look, I'm not saying I'm buying, but what I'm saying is that this is going to be a bullish market and all sort of thing if there is a shift, if there is a double break. And if the price doesn't give me that, then why the heck would I look to buy? I will not. In the meantime, I've made just so many receipts with Riot in the Discord, but yeah, I mean, I can come here and just maybe focus on the sell side, but I really don't, I'm not bothered to do so. Why? Maybe because, again, why the heck would I even bother? But yeah, I'm just saying, I want to see my rules met, and if they're not met, not willing to sell. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy.